Okay, so on this question, they're asking us, the question is at the bottom, to write the standard equation for the hyperbola graphed above. So they're giving us a graph and they want us to write the equation, kind of working backwards here. So how do you go from a graph back to an equation? Well, let's remember in general how these equations work. If we have x squared in the front, they have minus in the middle, right? Hyperbola always has minus in the middle. If you have something like that, then that's going to make the branches, you're going to have this box. And the branches, if x squared is in the front, then the branches are going to go right and left because x squared goes right and left. Whereas, if you have y squared in the front, so if the front is y squared, then when we have the dotted box, the branches will go up and down from the middle of the box instead of right and left. If y squared's in the front, the branches go up and down. If x squared's in the front, the branches go right and left. Okay, so that's the first thing to be really clear on. Now, so what do we have? What's our situation? Our situation's branches are going up and down from right there. So that means that we have what in the front? Y squared in the front, don't we? So we have y squared in the front. So we have y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared is 1. Okay, now we can see exactly where the box is, can't we? Do you see it? Here's the box. Here's the top of the box, here's the bottom of the box, and here's the corner. Remember, those asymptote lines go through the corners of the box, don't they? So this must be the invisible box right there. There it is. There's the invisible box with the asymptote lines going through the corners. So there's the box for us. So how far up and down from the center? 2. So that goes underneath y because y is up and down. And how far right and left? Let me make that a little better here. How far right and left to the edge of the box from the center? 5. So that's 5 squared equals 1. There it is, because this is right and left. So that's all you have to do. You can see the answer down here. They got the same thing. Or you could make that a 4 and a 25. Yeah, that's probably what they want you to do, like this. But it's basically the same thing. So there we go. Just put in the invisible box with the corners. Whatever's underneath A is whatever's underneath Y is how far up and down. Whatever's underneath X is how far right and left for the box, which can be seen by the corners of the asymptote lines. There we go.